The U.S. Food and Drug Administration is requiring increased safety labeling on cough and cold medications to protect kids from opioids. The FDA made the announcement Thursday saying, quote, "Given the epidemic of opioid addiction, we're concerned about unnecessary exposure to opioids, especially in young children. Medicines containing codeine or hydrocodone are now required to have a label indicating they're for people age 18 or over. But health officials say that shouldn't be a problem, as most coughs don't need any treatment. The FDA says treating sick children with medicines that contain opioids poses, quote, "serious risks that don't justify their use."